into the 5th of January, you called that pager 25 or 26 times. Do you remember calling the pager that many times that day, or don't you have any memory of that those 2 days?
I don't recall calling the pager that many times.
Did you used to call that pager all the time?
When I couldn't find it, yes.
Now, this phone number here, the one that reads 394-3410. You see that? An incoming call?
Yes.
Now, the police talked to you about these phone calls when they came to talk to you on September 29, 2005, right? They asked you about all of these phone calls, didn't they?
That's correct.
And you were telling them the truth when you talked with them that day, right? About your phone calls.
Yes.
And you were telling them the truth about your memory of those phone calls, right?
Yes.
Now, why don't you tell the jury now, if you could, sir, in his honor, who's this calling you at 12:03 a.m.?
I don't recognize the number.
Okay. I'd like to show you your report from September 29, 2005. I'm coming up behind you now. You can take it. You see all of the phone numbers that the police went over with you on that day? You see them all?
Yes.
Now, those are the phone numbers that the police went over with you that day, right?
Correct.
And do you remember that meeting?
Somewhat, yes.
And that was the meeting where you turned over your clothes and you were asked to watch the video as well, right?
Yes.
And can you show me where in that report you were asked about that phone call, the 394-3410 phone call?
I object.
Well, I could ask it a different way, Your Honor.
If you wish to come forward and ask it.
Do you have any memory today as you stand in the witness stand of being asked about that phone number on September 29, 2005?
No.
Now, as you read that report to yourself,
Yep.
did you discuss at any time with the police that phone number on your cell phone?
I don't remember.
Now, before I ask you the next question, you told us earlier that you've been arrested 3 or 4 times, but you've never been prosecuted?
As I collect, yes.
Right? That's what you told us. 5. Can you tell us what that conversation was about?
I didn't talk to nobody from the state police on that phone.
It's your phone record, isn't it? Right here on the screen? It's
Yes.
your phone record, right?
Yes,
Right?
I didn't talk to no state police before this.
And this is the state police phone record, exhibit number 70. You see that, right?
Yes.
Now, it says that you received a phone call from someone at the state police barracks here in South Yarmouth at 12:03 in the night. You don't remember where you were. You see that, don't you?
Yes.
You saying all the papers wrong?
I didn't talk to no state police before this.
Well, now that you've seen it.
Yes,
now that
I've
you've
seen
seen it. Where did you get that call from at 12:03 a.m.?
I don't know.
Who called you from the state police barracks?
Nobody.
Okay, you told me you didn't talk to a state policeman, but you got a call from the state police barracks because that's what the exhibit showed. So, who did you receive a phone call if you remember?
I didn't receive no phone call from no police officer on my phone at that time.
Now,
It says that on the record, but I didn't receive no phone call. I didn't talk to no state police officer at that time.
well, you see the connection between the phone calls, right?
Mm-hmm.
You saw that the phone call went through, right?
Yep.
Was anyone else carrying your cell phone at that time?
I don't remember.
You told us a few minutes ago that you were making phone calls to young ladies at that point, right?
Yes.
You told us that you don't remember where you were at 12:03 because you were so drunk that you don't remember where you were, right? Right?
No.
So if you don't remember where you were, can you remember who you were receiving phone calls from?
No.
So you don't have any idea who called you from the state police barracks, do you?
Nobody called me from state police.
Now, why don't we go back to your record? You could just look at it yourself. Can you show me where on this page there's anywhere that you dialed the state police barracks so that they would call you back? Just on that page.
No.
You didn't call them, right?
No, I didn't.
The only thing that shows you calling is your pager, right? Or something you call your pager.
That's my pick. Yep.
Do you used to call people back in those days who carried pagers? Did you used to call people who carried pagers?
I don't remember.
You don't?
No.
You used to call state police troopers who wore pagers?
No,
You see the pager there that says 978, are you positive that's your pager?
that's my pager,
And you
yes.
told the police that when they talked with you?
That's my
You
pager.
didn't say that? Did you tell them it was your pager?
Yes.
Or did you just tell them it was a pager?
No, it's my pager.
But you didn't tell them anything about this incoming call, did you?
No.
Why wasn't that taken up at your meeting? Why didn't you talk about that with the police when they were showing your phone records?
Because we were going down the list and I didn't recognize that phone number.
I'm asking you today, sir, do you have any memory whatsoever of talking to a state police trooper
No, I did not
on the
talk to
evening
those.
that you're supposedly killing Christa Worthington?
No, I did not talk to state police officers. On
And
this
once
record.
again, sir, we have your word on that?
On this record, that number, I didn't talk to him, no.
Okay. But we have your word, you didn't talk to her,
No.
even though the records show that you did.
Well, I object.